Come unbox with me. Oh yeah, welcome to Behind the Chair. I'm like, if I'm going to put this together, I might as well record it. So this is something new for me. And I done bought so many barber goods and I never record them. Like, at least putting them together or just showing y'all. Like, that'd be fun to start doing. So I'm gonna try to start doing that. Well, while I was putting this together, I was watching my show. So I kind of zoned out for a little minute. And also, let's be real. We all know women read instructions. Sometimes. No, all the time. Anyway, I read instructions. If you haven't guessed it yet, it's a steamer. And yes, I was confused. And yes, it took way longer than this video was filmed to put this steamer together. Okay? I'm just a girl. No, for real, I'm about to tap in with the facials and the beard wash. Just give me some time. I'm trying to make it to where it's like a package deal or whatever. Or if you want to do it individually, you can. But the question of the day is, would you come get a facial? Woulda, shoulda, coulda?